Step 1. Go to Home Screen. Press the Home button on your Firestick remote to go to the main screen. Step 2. Open Settings. Now move to the top menu and select the Settings icon, the gear symbol. Step 3. Select My Fire TV. In Settings, scroll and click on My Fire TV. Step 4. Choose Applications. Next, go to Applications. Step 5. Open Manage Installed Applications. Inside Applications, choose Manage Installed Applications. You'll see a list of all your installed apps. Step 6. Pick the app you want to clear cache for. Select the app that's lagging or crashing, for example, Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video. Step 7. Click on Clear Cache. On that app's info page, scroll down and click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files but keeps your login and data safe. Step 8. Optional. Clear data. Be careful. If the issue still continues, you can also choose Clear Data, but remember, this will delete your app settings and logins. Step 9. Repeat for other slow apps. Do the same. For other apps that are running slow or freezing, Step 10. Restart your Firestick. After clearing cache for all apps, go back to Settings, My Fire TV, Restart. This refreshes the system and makes it run smoother.